Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change username on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my REDnote app. Now to change username, on the bottom right you can see here's me, me. Just tap on this and over here you'll find your profile. Now to change username, just tap on this profile over here. And over here you can find here is your name. Just tap on this and over here you can change your username. Also you can see you can only change your name once in 7 days. That means if you change your name for once, you can't change this for a week. Now I'll change mine. And now to change this, on the bottom right you can see here is save. Just tap on this and now you can see my username is changed. So in this way we can change our username on REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.